it's Crystal the Fit Mom. So, you know that anytime I come across something awesome that I find valuable, especially if it's something that you can make a little extra money on, I'm definitely going to share it with you. So, I recently was introduced to a self-development app called Let's Go. This thing is awesome because it actually is an all-in-one app where you can self-develop, basically, tracking your goals, your task, enter what you're grateful for, your vision board, your exercise, nutrition. When I say all-in-one, I mean all-in-one. I'm like, so far, I'm really, really enjoying it. It's actually holding me accountable for certain things that I want to accomplish. And I also, can use it with my clients and things like that. So this is like across the board good for anybody. If you're trying to self-develop in your career, in your relationship, health, all that stuff. So instead of, I almost left out one of the most amazing parts, right? When you share this app, you get an 80% commission. I said 80%. That is like unheard of. Like when you're an affiliate of something, like 80% commission, especially when it's something really valuable. I'm finding this thing so cool. But instead of me talking about it and talking about how awesome it is, I want to go ahead and share with you guys, give you guys a quick tour of the Let's Go app and show you how easy and clean it is to navigate in this thing. All right, let's check it out. All right, guys. So here is the Let's Go app. The one cool thing I forgot to mention is every day when you open it up, it gives you a quote. You can even put your own quotes in there that you can have rotate through there. They just pop up randomly. But today's quote, and again, this is one of the things I look forward to just to see what it's going to say. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. So that's something motivating, giving you something to look forward to. Like I said, if you're procrastinating about something, just those little quotes are awesome. So right here you go, you click on Let's Go. And I don't know why my screen's like that today, but it's all right. So the cool thing is it has, gratitude, and you could sit there and I'm going to do it now. Maybe click on it and you just put what you're grateful for. So guys, I'm always grateful for my family. So I have to say that every single day. So that's that. So I'm going to save it. It's in there. I'm going to mark complete. Cool. So my gratitude's in there. And then it's going to ask me, did I stretch this morning? Guys, I didn't. I did my workout. That's one thing I have to get better with, like stretching first thing in the morning. I jump right into my workout. I warm up, do my workout, and that's that. But you know what? I'm going to stretch. I have to get better with that. That's one of my goals. I'm going to do it later. So you just click do it later. And then it has the meditation. I can never say meditation or pray section, whatever you want to do, whatever you're into. You can set your timer to pray or meditate, whatever you're into. You can set it to do that. I'm going to do that. I'm just going to go over the different sections that it has with you. It has your vision board. You can do whatever you want. My 1,000. That's my vision board. I know what that means. I'm going to share that with you guys later because I'm going to, a couple times a week, I'm going to keep you guys updated on what I'm putting in Let's Go. So I'll add something to that later. My purpose, well, one of my goals, that's not my purpose, but to have multiple streams of income by next year. Exercise, yes, I did do my workout this morning. The other cool thing is it gives you exercise tips and ideas. Like if you're not sure what you want to do, It gives you a list of things that, jumping jacks, push-ups, squats, all that stuff. So I'm going to mark complete because I did do that. And then let me see. Reading. I didn't add this. I just do random reading. So there's no really like a time or anything like that. But anyways, guys, I'm not going to go through every single thing right now, but again, this has the journal aspect and all that in there. I'm going to go back to the beginning. I'm going to do later. Hold on, I'm just going to get out of here really quick so you guys can just see everything that it has. And then once you have everything that you decided you were going to do today complete, it won't show anymore. It just leaves the things that you have to complete for today. But the cool thing about this, guys, is that it is an all-in-one self-development app. Again, you can use this for your relationships, your career, health and fitness, school, whatever. It has tasks in there. But the main thing is it keeps you on track. You can even use this for your clients. And that's what I'm doing, using it with my clients to be able to keep track, habit tracking, all that stuff. But to be able to share such an awesome all-in-one app and get 80% commission on something that is actually useful and valuable is awesome to me. So I'm definitely putting a link for the Let's Goal app. It's under Home Business Academy because this is, of course, your home business. I'm pretty sure there are other, what's that say? I'm sorry. Yep. There are other products that Home Business Academy offers as far as if you're doing home business things and stuff like that. But this is what resonates with me the most is the self-development app. And like I said, across the board, I'm finding it so useful. There's a couple people that I've talked to already that are loving this app. So I'm going to go ahead and put a link for the HBA, the Let's Goal app. Definitely check it out. It is a $10 a month membership and you get 80% commission. So $8 for everybody that joins. But like I said, it is so awesome. All right, guys, that's all I got. Be sure to check out the Let's Goal app and follow me because I am going to show you guys when I'm entering in a couple times a week. All right, bye.